Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing some of my favorite small YouTubers or like underrated YouTubers with you guys, because I actually happen to know a lot of people who have a YouTube channel but they don't really have that many subscribers, and obviously it's not all about subscribers, but it is nice to have some. Annie Elizabeth, I don't know if everyone knows her, but she's really nice, so go subscribe to her. Her channel will be linked down below. She made a group chat on the app GroupMe, and honestly it's so nice. Everyone's like supporting each other and hyping each other's channels up, and it's just so nice. So if you're a small YouTuber and you want to join the group chat, please feel free to do it. I'll put the link to a video of Annie down below. There she's also saying a little bit about the group chat, and there's a link in her description box where you can join the group chat. Let's just get started. The first YouTuber I want to talk about is someone with the cutest accent ever. She's from Australia and her name is Freeman, and honestly I love her videos so much. I don't know why, but she kind of reminds me of Ava Jules and I love it. Like, I love her. She's so great. She's funny, she's cute, she's beautiful, she's super nice, and just her videos are so well edited. I'm loving it. I love her thumbnails. I just love everything about her channel, and then especially her accent. I love Australian accents. I'm just so excited for everything that will happen for her, because I just know that she will grow more because her videos are amazing. So honestly, go subscribe to her. She's great, honestly. Second YouTuber on my list is Annie Long. She is honestly so cute. Her videos are also really well edited. She's a great singer. Like, I love her voice. She is also so cute. Her videos are really cute and her editing is on point. That's all I can say about it. She's just so amazing. All of these YouTubers, they're so amazing and they're so good at editing and everything, and oh, I love it so much. The next person on my list, she's not really a small YouTuber anymore. She has like 65,000 subscribers. Her name is Kelly Margot. I just really wanted to mention her because she's really underrated, because she is so funny. She's just so spontaneous and I love it. Like, she's really funny and so entertaining. Her videos are just so great to watch. Like, they make you laugh, they make you feel amused. I just think she's great. Like, her fashion style is also great. I love watching her videos. She's just so funny and so nice, and literally go watch her. Like I said, not really a small YouTuber. Still really wanted to mention her because I've been loving her videos lately, and just she deserves more appreciation. Go watch Kelly Margot, guys. The next person is someone I talked about earlier in this video, and her name is Annie Elizabeth, and wow, she's been growing a lot lately, and this honestly is what she deserves. Like, she puts so much hard work and effort in her videos. You can see that, and it's so great. Her editing is cool. Just her personality is really nice. She does live streams all the time and it's really entertaining to watch. She's also the one who made the group chat, and she is like all about positivity, supporting other YouTubers. Please just watch one of her videos and you will know what I'm talking about. Bless her, honestly. Annie is so nice. The next person on my list is Hannah Teal. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce her last name. I think it's like Teal. I love the way she edits her videos. She deserves more subscribers. She also has been growing quite a lot lately. When I started watching her, I think she had 12k. And now she has like 19k, and I've been watching her for like a few weeks now, so she's been growing quite a lot, but she deserves it because her videos are so well edited. I love like the filters on it. I just get great vibes on her videos, and her thumbnails are so cute. But her way of editing is also kind of my style to edit, so I'm really like, she's just so nice. She's just so nice. These small YouTubers are the best people you could ever meet. I'm not even kidding. The next person on my list is Mia. Her channel is called Hey It's Mia. And Mia is so great. She was so nice to me. Like, she was doing a live stream the other day and I was watching and I said, hey. And she goes, hey. And then she was like, I put you in my small YouTubers everyone should watch video because you're so amazing and your videos are so nice. And I was like, oh my god, that's so nice. Like, oh my god. I can't believe people are so nice to me about my videos lately. Like, it does something to me. It's so nice. Her thumbnails are like really aesthetic and just... Everyone is such a great YouTuber. They're so underrated. Mia has almost 10k subscribers, so if you want to subscribe to her, please do. 10k is like really nice, so go subscribe to her. The link is down below. I have one more person on my list. Last person, I'm not sure how to pronounce her name. First name is Brooke and her last name is Didas? Don't know how to pronounce that, but she basically makes a lot of vlogs, like college week in my life, college day in my life, and just everything like that. I love how her thumbnails look, and just, I don't know, I just look at her as a really spontaneous person. Her videos are just so great. I don't know, I'm in college myself, so maybe that's why I love seeing her videos about being in college and just balancing life, YouTube, college, everything. It just looks like a really nice person. Most of these YouTubers are not subscribed to me, so I don't know if you guys will see this, but if you do, hi, you're great. So those are the YouTubers I wanted to talk about in this video. I will probably make a part 2 of this later because I have lots of small YouTubers that I appreciate. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Go to the description box to subscribe to all these channels because they're honestly so great. You can do yourself a favor and subscribe to them. Just do! Subscribe to my channel if you'd like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!